Now's the time to make a run for it.
I say if we get over $1,000 profit, we get Chick-fil-A. Or not even $1,000, $1,000 in sales. We should get Chick-fil-A.
Look at that.
And what if we don't get that?
Green smoothie.
TJ agreed to go to the thrift store with me, and he's gonna help me find some great stuff.
I'll find it. I know exactly what to look for.
He's so sweet to come do this with me on his day off from like his actual real job. I forgot my wallet. I literally just forgot it.
Look, we're gonna have to check the pockets because I can't pay for this.
I know.
We better find a 20 spot in the pockets.
Should we split up?
No, absolutely.
Do you want to go? We don't have much time, so you should probably go to the men's section.
Oh my gosh.
I'm serious.
I'll be back with an empty cart.
Okay. Good luck, babe. Okay, so I passed on the jeans section because it was a bust. But I found got some Ted Baker heels. There is like a little tear right here. With that tear there, I just don't want to risk it. If these moved faster or were more consistent brand, I would totally grab them. And they move slowly already. It's gonna be a pass. Size shells actually do really well for me. $6, and these are in pretty decent condition. When they're in decent condition like this, yeah, I think it's a pretty easy pickup for $6. I think this could be like $35. I really hate cleaning shoes, so when it's in good condition, that's a huge factor because I like have a whole stack of shoes at home actually that I need to clean that I just am putting off. Okay, we've got some Corks by Corkies, and they're in really, really clean condition as well. $5. This will not be another like easy, I don't know, 35. So when I'm in the shoe section, I'm always looking for Free People, Rothy's, which are very rare. I've only found those one time. Teaks are really good because shoes take up a lot of space in my storage system. So I'm trying to find the ones that I'm fairly confident will move quickly for me. I've been feeling a little stuck in my wellness journey. So I've been looking for a way to recalibrate gently, get my mind, health, body all back on track. And that's when I discovered Beyond Body. Here's my personal Beyond Body book. You can see it's Ashley's Beyond Body. It is personalized for me. So I filled out a quiz and I answered all the questions about my body, about my eating habits, sleep, the way I prefer to exercise. And once I answered all the questions, it created an amazing program just for me to help me kind of get myself back on track. While these guidelines did help me get back to my pre-pregnancy weight, hallelujah, that really wasn't the goal. The goal was to just, again, recalibrate my nutrition, my sleep, my stress, and my exercise, and to be more focused and intentional with it. And that's like why it's called Beyond Body. It's not just about your body, it's about your body, mind, and spirit, because they are all connected. Having this book and reading through it and having a little bit of accountability, like my little workout buddy, really helped me to remember that when I take care of me, I'm the best version of myself. I'm a better mom, I'm a better business owner, I'm better all around. You can get 60% off this January on your customized program, plus an additional 10% off if you use my code HUSTLE10 when you check out. So the link is in my description. Definitely check it out. I've absolutely loved it, and I think you guys will too. Thank you so much to Beyond Body for sponsoring this portion of the video, and now let's get back into it. Okay, speaking of Free People, look at that. Got them. So these are some Free People sandals, $4. That's a great deal. Free People is generally, they kind of are supposed to look a little distressed. So the fact that these are a little bit worn is totally fine. Yeah, these will do great. $30, $35? I mean, while I'm speaking things into existence, apparently, I'm always looking for Gucci. I'm always looking for Louis Vuitton, Prada. Maybe I'll find some of those today, but I've only ever found those brands one time in my entire life at the thrift. Okay, Vince Camuto can be a little slower to sell, but these are like brand new, $8, and I'm just gonna go for it, you guys. Okay, these are cool. I was like, these feel really nice. These are Doc Martens, it looks like, from that faded tag here. I've never seen like a Doc Martens like this, so I will look up comps, but this is definitely a brand of shoe I'm always looking for. The soles need to be cleaned up a little bit, but if you use a Lysol dual action wipe or a magic eraser, they clean up real nice. Okay, we have one Allbird. Oh my gosh, I want this. Where's the other one? $5, come on. Where's the other one? Let's look. I will find it, you guys. So help me. I did it, you guys. The matching one. Here we go. I believe these are the Allbird tree skippers, and these sell great for me. So they're in really clean condition too. $5, that's great. And then we've got some Nike Metcon fly knits. They don't have laces, but I have replacement laces at home that I can go ahead and put in there. And these should sell for like $40. So awesome. And they're in good condition for only $6. Let's go. Okay, these Vans classic check pattern. These do great for me, but I can only find one. And the thrift is making me work for it today. Okay, so we're gonna find it. We're gonna find the other one. Okay, I haven't seen or heard from TJ, so I don't know how he's doing. I'm really hoping he's finding something because that'd be awesome. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should he have just stuck with me? There he is. Oh, good old Tej, trying his best. Oh, you guys, I just got very lucky. Bed Stew is a great brand. Every time I've sold it, it has sold for a lot of money, like over 100 even. So, oh my gosh, these look like they're in really clean condition. They're a big size, they're men's, but I think they'll do great. It's also not my lucky day because I cannot find this. Oh wait, oh, as I'm talking, I see some Allen Edmonds. This is a fantastic shoe brand, but these are a little beat up in the style. They're like really beat up. Darn, if these were in better condition, I would have grabbed them, but this is a brand to look out for sure for men. Okay, we're done with the shoes. We're now in the bag section, and I don't often find good bags here, but we can try. What I'm looking for, Tory Burch, Madewell, Free People, these are all great bag brands. Toomey is good, but again, I rarely find them. Okay, this felt really heavy. I'm gonna look this up, even though it has some drawing on it, marker on it, darn it. Because it feels very nice. What does that say? Bio Nature Letter? Okay, I think I found it. It's a German company. It's got a ton of writing on it. I think I would have picked this up, but I think it retails for like 289 euros, so whatever that is in dollars. But with all the writing and the wear on it, I am going to pass. Yeah, in this condition, I don't think I will. Okay, so we are in the activewear section, and I found this. I've actually sold the Paris Saint Germain like hoodies and long sleeves in the past, so it's like a youth size though. I don't know. I don't see a price tag either. I don't know. Actually, you know what? I changed my mind. I think I'll pass on this one. All right, Tej. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. TJ.
Look, stop.
Oh my gosh.
It's mostly garbage.
Okay. So you just pulled stuff.
I just pulled whatever.
Okay.
And you might keep 1 out of 5. Look, I don't know what these are. It says Paris on there, and I thought, oh, actually, this looks, I don't know.
Philibert.
Probably
I don't think that's anything, yeah. Ooh.
It says North Face on it. I don't know.
North Face is good. These are like ski pants. These are great.
For $10.
These are fantastic, Tej.
$10.
Those are like $50.
Is there holes in them?
Those are fantastic.
Okay,
yeah.
this is our keep pile.
Keep. Okay. Don't let anyone else touch them.
Okay, these are
No.
J. Crew.
No, J. Crew's not.
Oh shoot,
it doesn't
we got
work
a lot
for
of
me
J.
anymore.
Crew.
Oh no.
Wait, well this one, no, J. Crew, no.
Nah, yeah.
Nuts. See, I told you.
And by the way, we will put these back.
We're gonna put them back. Hobbit Town movie set.
Oh my gosh.
It's probably not worth
It's
it.
missing the drawstring too, but it's cool.
Told you.
No, you're doing awesome.
Is this anything? Vintage Slim Straight J. Crew. J. Crew. I got all this J. Crew.
Go back to
It's cool, still
2017.
cool?
Yes. Job, Tej. Cool is great. It has a fantastic sell-through.
That one's cool too.
Yep, it is. Hey, that is a good eye.
Well, it's, okay, we'll look at them for holes.
No, those are fantastic. Good job.
Is this good? This yellow seed?
Carhartt. Yes. Nice. How much?
I don't know.
$8?
$1 million.
No, those are fine. Those are like the heavy-duty jeans. Those are perfect.
G-Star?
G-Star, I do like G-Star. Are they, let's see, any tears, any holes? Oh, these are great. Yeah, no, let's do it. They're low rise. I think those are great. Let's do it.
J. Crew.
Sorry.
Okay,
Tej.
my best one. Ready?
Okay, what is it?
Fatted Glory?
Oh my gosh.
No?
Are you doing good? This is Albion. Albion retails for a lot and it's expensive, but sometimes it takes a while to move, but these look to be in really good condition. Okay, just for fun, here are the Albion joggers on. They're a size small, tall, so they are long enough, which I like, but They're just a little snug. So I think these would be perfect like in one size up. But yeah, Albion is sold, I don't know if it's just here in Utah or if it's like nationwide, but it's like an expensive activewear brand. And the quality is good, but a few times I've sold it, it's taken just a minute to sell. So I don't know if it's just like a brand not as many people are familiar with or what, but yeah. So they are cute. I do think if they were just a size medium, they'd be like perfect. Let's just try. We'll go for it. $6. A couple last minute grails because T just rushing me out. Oh my gosh, that's mine. We got super dry. Super dry, I'm seeing like all over TikTok. I see a lot of the kids, Gen Z wearing it, so I think this will do great. I saw this little moon logo, that's Zaya, the Zaya jacket for only $6. Should do fantastic. Okay, here's that Zaya jacket on. I just thought it'd be fun to try on. This is a really popular brand, and whenever I list it, it sells pretty quick. Quality's pretty good actually, so I'm trying things on because I'm adding things to my closet, and this was just a little bit too big, but it is cute. So I gotta give them props for some pretty good quality clothing. And then a Prana.
Attention associates, if you would please start gathering in the break room. Again, all associates, please come to the break room.
Now's the time to make a run for it.
Prana jacket. Here's that Prana jacket. It's a size medium, so it should be my size, but it's a little more fitted, which I think is cuter and just a little bit more flattering for me. So of the two, I would probably keep this one, right? You guys let me know in the comments what you think is the cutest, but I actually probably already have enough jackets and coats and sweaters, but they have good quality stuff, and outdoor gear always sells quickly. Like that is probably my favorite genre of clothing and shoes to buy to resell because it sells quick. Condition isn't always as much of a factor. And yeah, I enjoy selling those types of things. Really good condition. And then TJ found this little Jamie and Jack for $8 is kind of steep. It is a kids brand, and this is like a little cape, so it should do great. Good job, Teach. I found another cool sweater. A lot of cool today, which is great. So we have a lot of good stuff here.
But probably smoothie level still.
Oh gosh, yeah, we got to add up the profit because we might not have enough.
It's green smoothie level.
To get Chick-fil-A. I want Chick-fil-A today.
Sorry.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, the question is, Teach, how do you feel about thrifting after you've been to the bins?
I like the bins way more.
Why do you like the bins?
It's more fun.
Okay.
You're not fighting with hangers, and it's way cheaper.
But the bins, though, your back hurts at the end. It's like a lot of work.
My back didn't hurt last time. Sorry.
I do love the bins. Honestly, like lately I've been finding really good stuff at the bins. So I don't know, like it definitely rivals the thrift store. When you find something cool at the bins, it's like 10 times more exciting because you're just like, I cannot believe I just pulled this out of a pile of nothing. Hey, TJ! Oh my gosh! Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna get home. I'm going to add up what I think potential profit will be, and we will determine if we're gonna get Chick-fil-A or have a smoothie. I was not adding it up as we were going through the store, and I think we might be like really close.
No way.
I think we found a lot of good stuff.
$1,000?
I don't know. We'll see. Oh, do you have a reindeer hat today?
Did you make a hat today?
I did.
Did you make that yourself?
Our handsome guy. Did you have a Christmas party?
Yeah, it was super fun, Mom. Thanks for asking.
All right, you guys, I've added up everything. Sales value, and I've been kind of conservative. We have just over $700 in sales here. So that means,
Get your taste buds ready.
oh my gosh. I don't want it. See now, it's not our fault because we were
Try harder.
only out for like an hour.
I handed you a lot of J. Crew that were so done.
It wouldn't have sold. Raw, unfiltered.
Good stuff. Then goes in mango, blueberry, banana,
Carrots, broccoli,
cauliflower, turmeric, ginger.
Do you know how many times I've put this off and like by the end of the day I'm like, I'm hungry, and then I see it in the fridge. Oh gosh. Okay, cheers.
Bon appetit.
Gosh, oops. Oh gosh. It's so bad every time.
Good.
Oh,
It's not bad at all.
thanks for joining me today. And yeah, I will enjoy this and I'll see you guys next time.